Okay, hold on. So this is Dominic. You can hear the music coming from the speakers, right? He has it clipped on so nobody's touching anything. He's gonna place the speakers on his nose and open his mouth, and it is gonna amplify the sound. Leave your mouth open. Now put him back. Now put it again. Now do it. Take it down again. You can hear the music there. Now he's going to put it in his nose. Take it off. Put it back on. Now we can try it with the other boys so y'all can see that we're not messing with anything. Come here, Ryan. Okay, Ryan's gonna put it. No, you can leave it clipped onto your shirt. It's fine. It'll probably be better that way. So, hold on, Ryan. Let the music start. Okay, Dom's moving the music. There you go. You can hear the music. You can hear how loud it sounds from the speaker. That's the loudest it goes, Henry?
Yes.
Okay. Now he's gonna close his mouth, put him on his nose, and then open his mouth. Take it off. Put it again. Do it again. Now we can try right. Jaden, come here, Jaden. Okay, leave the music. Leave the music on. Leave the music on, just the way it is. Put it on your nose. Place it on the holes of your nose.
On your nostrils.
On your nostrils. Now open your mouth. And there's Jace dancing. Take it off. Put it back on. Now switch a song. Just look. I'm gonna switch a song. I don't even know what song it's gonna be. Move your hand.
Ooh,
okay. Take it off from your nose. You can hear it there. Place it directly. Open.
Nope.
Open your mouth. Now take it off. Now put it back on.
Sensei.
Try it again, Dominic. Try it again, Dom. It's by itself. Take it off. Do it again. No, that song's perfect.
Open.
Close.
Wait. Open.
Leave your mouth open. Take it off. Now put it in your nose. Open.
I can feel the pain inside my nose.